Hi everyone, welcome to day 5, our final day of the challenge. Today we're going to teach you how to organize your files and how to actually combine your works together into our website portfolio. So first, let's go to our Canva dashboard. So since we already have the files that we created, I want to quickly teach you guys how you can organize your files within Canva. So let's go here. And then just click on projects. And then let's add a new folder by clicking this button, add new, and then folder. And then let's name the folder Bloom Digital Creations. Okay, then click continue. And then we have the folder here under folders. So what we can do is we can simply drag the projects that are related to this folder. So you can do this. So click and then drag. And then you'll see here that this side or this button states that this one is already inside the folder Bloom Digital Creations. You can also click on the three dots here and then move to folder and then click here. Or another way is if you're already designing. So say for example, you're in the design dashboard, you can click on file and then move to a folder and then click on this and then move. Okay, so let's just put everything here on this folder. And then you'll see all of the files that you've created for this. For example, if this is your client, so for this client, everything is in one place. So it will be easier for you to locate if there's a file that you want to edit again. So your Canva will be much more organized and searching for the specific work that you've done before will be much more easier. Before we move on to creating our actual website, I need you guys to prepare all of your files. So in this folder, you can click on these three icons and then you can download it here directly. Then just click download. Okay, so I have prepared all of the files needed for our website. So let's proceed to creating our website portfolio. So we have created a template for you to use. So a few tips in building your portfolio. So you want to put in here works that you want to do more of. So for example, you want to do works for a health coach or a wellness brand. So put in your portfolio more of those graphics so that you will attract those clients that you like to work with. So this portfolio is for you. So now that we have finished working on our imaginary brand, we are ready to put together all of the works that we have done in the past days. So yeah, let's start. So in here, you can add your name, for example. Let's have it here. So let's just first start by updating the content with your real content, then replace all. And then let's work on adding the images. Oh, but before that, let's start with a quick tour of the entire website. So we have here the landing page and then about me. And then this is for the start of the portfolio. So we have two versions in here that you can use. So you need to choose one. So you can either delete this one or just hide it. Okay, just click on this icon. Okay, so in here, this is the start of our portfolio. So on day one, we created the brand board. So we're going to put that here. And then we created the Instagram post on day two. So this is a mock-up that we can use to present our Instagram post. or you can choose this other version with the zoomed in Instagram post. So again, just use the hide and unhide function. And then the third one is for our PDF that we created on day 3. And then on day 4, we created the business cards for the brand and the email signature. So we're going to place those here on this page. And then for this, you either can choose this slide or the other one. So again, you can just hide. So this is like a call to action area with the button. And then on the last page, we have your contact details. So you see when working with websites, you can design or work with it with this way. So it's scrolling down, or you can click this button, show pages, and then you'll see it page by page, like just like a presentation. And then you will see here if a page is hidden. So it's much more easier to track. Okay, there. So, okay, let's start with updating and building this website. So for this part, we can choose to use a mockup. So under elements, let's have mockups and then see all. And then I want to use the PDF that we created. So I choose print, and then let's just look for a photo that we can use here. Okay, we can choose this one. So just click on that and then it will appear on your page. Okay, so let me just create a new page so that you can see how to work with mockups. Okay, so here. So with mockups, you just click or drag to your page and then it will automatically be added. And then I have uploaded all of our previous works here. So let's use the front page of our PDF. So just um, click that to add your canvas or drag. And then what you want to do is insert this image inside this mockup. So to do that, just click on the image and then drag. Then it will automatically add it to this area right there. But this file or this image is not flattened. So you're not able to put this inside a frame. So for example, you want to put it inside a circular frame. So this is just for sample. So if you cannot put it inside. So what you want to do is click on more and then download this selection. So it will automatically be downloaded as a PNG, and then you can upload it back and then you can use that image to insert in this frame. So let's download and then let's put it back. So let's upload it once again. And then so this one is already a flattened image, so you can use that to insert in your frame there. Okay. Okay, so you can adjust the settings on your PNG so that it is not pixelated. So let's try this size. Okay, so let's use that image for our landing page. Okay, so let me delete this one. Okay, delete page. Okay, so let's go back to our landing page and then let's upload. Okay, let's upload the image back. Okay, click on that and then just drag to insert inside your frame. Okay, there. Okay, so for the second page, let's just add our photo. So you can upload or for the purpose of this project, let's just add from the Canva library. Then I want to make that black and white, so you can go under edit image, and then let's adjust the saturation. Okay, and then if you have multiple clients already, you can use this page to paste their logos here, or just start with this page to start your portfolio. So on the next page, we have the brand board that we created. So we have applied a drop shadow here. So to do that, you can just click on edit image and then shadows and then drop and then adjust the drop shadows here. So with that set, you can just simply drag your brand board. Okay. So for this, we can have an image. Then I just have their logo on top. So let's edit that. Okay, something like that. Okay, and then let's move on to the third page. So we have here like a mock-up. So you can either choose from the two, either this format or this one, but I would like to use this one. So let's have our Instagram post. So let's just add there. And then let's just add images in between. So let's alternate the post that we created. So something like that. Okay, so let's just repeat this one. Or we can use an image. So think of this as the real Instagram feed of this client. So let's just look for the other photos, then use that to make this feed more realistic like this. Okay, so for this area, you want to add their logo. So under brand, again, let's use their submark. Okay. Okay, so let's move on to, or if you want to use this format, so just add in your works here like so. Okay, so it's up to you which one you like to choose. Okay, so this is for our PDF. So let's just add in our images here on the right. Okay, and then here, this is for the business card and the email signature. So again, just drag and drop your work here. In here, maybe we can use an image. Okay, for example, we're going to use this one. So let's just set that to black and white. Okay, maybe we can use a floral image. Okay, okay, that's much better. And then in here, we can add our email signature. Okay, and then on this page, you have two formats. Either you can write your services here, and then we have a call to action button, or just something like this. And then we also have your button there. And then on the last page, we have our more of your contact details. So let's update that. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you how to link. So linking is the same with how you do it. So you just click on an element, then click on more, and then you can add the link there. For example, you can just type in your URL and then click on enter, and then done. Then if you want to remove the underline, just click here. So there we have updated our website portfolio. So you can preview your work by clicking this button. So click here to preview your work. And then it will show you the look of the website in desktop and in mobile. Okay. So here we have our work. Okay. Done. And then you can also check your mobile version here. That Okay, so when you're happy with your website, so let's close this. You are now ready to publish. So click on publish website. Okay, so we have here the settings that you can choose from. So include navigation menu is for the navigation on top of your page. So the way to add that is by adding for each page, you can add a name, page name, and then that would be the one that would be displayed on your navigation. So let's see here. So this one is with the activated navigation. So you see that the page names are displayed here. There. Okay, so let's choose that. So publish website, and then include navigation menu, then resize on mobile. And then this is where you set your URL. So let's just say your name. So you can choose to get a new domain. So the domain is this part. So if you're using a free domain, so it will be like this. So you set that in your Canva settings, and then let's see the publish settings. So you're able to update the website description here. So you can just say your name and then portfolio, and then advanced settings. You can set a password, or you can enable search engine visibility. And then in here, you can also set the link preview. Okay, so let's go back here. Now that we have fixed the settings, and then click on publish website. Okay, so you just have to wait for your design to be published. And then now we have our website. So this is the the URL of your website. So let's just quickly view that. Okay, so here's our live website. Okay, so this is the URL that you're going to share in the group so we can see your website. Okay, so yeah, I'm so excited to see all of your work. That's it. That ends our 5-day challenge. And if you are able to finish all of the graphic works, you are going to be able to put in this website portfolio together. So yeah, so thank you so much, everyone. I'm so excited to see all of your work.